the invisible killer of the Amazon rainforest. A thin mist clings to the towering canopy, casting a tranquil yet mysterious veil over the forest. This is the beating heart of the planet's green lungs, where life and death are bound in an endless cycle. The river winds like a colossal serpent, both a giver of life and a keeper of hidden dangers. Hidden deep within the dense undergrowth, the jaguar. Its golden coat, adorned with black rosettes, is as dazzling as it is perfectly camouflaged. The only big cat native to the Americas, its bite force exceeds 1,500 psi, twice that of a lion. A solitary hunter, it moves without a sound, an expert climber, swimmer, and master of stealth. Each step is a seamless blend of grace and raw power, an invisible shadow in the Amazon. But this forest is more than a hunting ground. It is also a sanctuary for delicate beauty, though such peace is fleeting. Unlike many other cats that hunt only at night, the jaguar can be active both day and night, adapting to its surroundings and the presence of prey. Beneath the shade, the predator's eyes remain unblinking, ever watchful. Today, hunger draws it toward the riverbank, where prey and danger await. The perfect emblem of strength, skill, and survival, honed by millions of years of evolution. In the vast swamps of South America, where life pulses with every breath of nature, a silent king rules over his hidden kingdom. This is the anaconda, one of the largest snakes on the planet. Without the need for venom, its true weapon lies in sheer muscular power and endless patience. Its flickering tongue tastes the air, gathering the faintest traces of potential prey. Unlike most snakes that lay eggs, the female anaconda gives birth to live young. From the very first moments of life, they emerge as fully formed hunters, ready for survival. Though not as long as the Asian reticulated python, the anaconda still reigns as a giant. On average, it measures 5 to 6 meters in length, with some individuals surpassing 9 meters and weighing more than 200 kilograms. A semi-aquatic species, the anaconda spends most of its life in the water, where its immense weight turns into an advantage. It can hold its breath for up to 10 minutes, often lying in perfect stillness near the banks, with only eyes and nostrils above the surface, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Sharing this domain is the world's largest rodent, the capybara. Gentle, social, and ever dependent on water, they form large herds. But this peaceful nature makes them a favored prey for the anaconda, an easy choice, yet one fraught with danger. In the Swamp Kingdom, predator and prey coexist side by side. Vigilance is the only shield. A single lapse in attention, and the cost can be life itself. The strike happens in an instant. The giant snake seizes its victim, coiling with unmatched strength. It does not crush bones. Instead, it squeezes until the prey can no longer breathe, death arriving through suffocation. With jaws designed for extraordinary expansion, the anaconda can swallow prey far larger than itself. Such a feast provides enough energy for weeks, even months. Once sated, it retreats to a quiet refuge, resting and digesting, before returning again as the silent sovereign of the swamp.